Hi Kickstarter. We are here to give you an update on the bike mount. Tomorrow is the last day of the campaign and we promise to give you a bit more of an idea of what you will be pledging for, and that's what we are here for today. Thanks a lot to all of you for the feedback and the insights that you gave us. To sum it up in a couple of words, there are three main things. You guys wanted to make sure that the bike mount fits onto all sorts of sizes of bars. You wanted to make sure that the bike mount fits into different places, so not just on the crossbar, but on the handlebar and other places of the bike. And also, it was really important to you that the bike mount is strapped on, really securely, so you can take it into your performance biking. And I'll give it to Adam to talk you through some of the ideas.
So one of the things we learned from last week's prototype is that we had to make it more secure. So we first started looking at attaching a big rubber band to the end of it. What if it's a case that fits onto the speaker and then that gets mounted to the bike? Or maybe a big rubber band that fits over the whole speaker. We eventually arrived at this idea of a really simple strap that attaches to your bike and the speaker in one simple motion. We built a functional prototype to test how a single strap would work. This is the mount. The inside cradles the bottom of the speaker, and the base and the strap are a flexi rubber that grip really securely to your bike frame. Then the single strap comes around the center of the speaker, and this version has Velcro on it, which may change. But this only covers up the subwoofers and doesn't compromise the sound coming out of the speakers, which is on the side. The other nice thing about this solution is that there's no hardware to get in the way or leave on your bike when you're done. The advantage of a single strap is that you can mount it to a wide range of tube sizes and fit it in a lot of different places on your bike. So we think it works pretty well, but we also asked our lab engineer to come test it out for us. I guess it passed. One more thing, the strap does cover up the volume buttons, but because they're flush, it doesn't actually engage them, and you can still operate the volume through the strap.
Cool. So I want to remind everybody that this is a functional prototype where we wanted to explain to you how it works so you can make your pledge tomorrow. What we'll be doing in the next phase is really exploring the final materials, the aesthetics, and the final looks of the product, and be surprised about that and stay tuned. Bye everyone.